Hello everyone, and welcome to Record Keeping with IrisBG. For these videos, I'll be using the IrisBG trial version with the trial dataset. I will sign in as an admin user, which means that I will have full access to the system. In this video, I will show you how to log in to IrisBG, and we will also take a look at the navigation and toolbar. In order to log in to IrisBG, you will need a user ID. Since we're using the trial version, I will log in as the user admin with the password changeme. If you are using our 60 days trial version, you can do the same. On your own system, you will get your username from the system administrator. The first time you log in, you will also use the password changeme. You will be asked to create a new strong password. If you at any time should forget your own password, your administrator of IrisBG can reset your password to changeme. Now that we have logged in, we can see the navigation bar here on the left. Each item in this list is what we call a screen. This is where you will do your work. When you sign into your own database, you will only see the parts of the system you are authorized to use. On this row, the toolbar will appear when you select a screen. The toolbar will change according to the screen you are working in. If you would like a bigger toolbar, click on File and select Options. Here you can see the toolbar size, and we will select True and click OK. If you are unsure of how to do something, click Help to access the searchable reference guide, or just press F1 when logged into IrisBG. When you are finished using IrisBG, always log out by clicking on the X button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.